If you want to completely disable Gemini and Google Assistant on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, first we're gonna go to Settings. We're gonna open Settings, select your Google account at the top, and then we're gonna switch to All Services and then find Search Assistant and Voice option. Now, in here we're gonna go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you still want to go to Google Assistant. And if you actually use Gemini instead of the old Google Assistant, then in that case we want to choose Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, and then confirm that you want to do that. If you already have Google Assistant set up, then of course this step you can skip it pretty much. So after that we're gonna go to General in here, and you can disable Google Assistant in here. Just confirm that you want to turn it off, and there we go. Now Gemini and Google Assistant are disabled. If you still have the access to these features by holding the power button, then you will see this information that your Google Assistant is ready to help you, but you have to turn it on. But if you want to, of course, we can remove Gemini and Google Assistant from the power button. You just have to open Settings and go to System. Then you want to choose Gestures, and over here we have press and hold power button, which you can switch to power menu. So now if you press and hold the power button, you get the power menu instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.